Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat camera not working problem. So if you're facing this problem, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Please watch this video till the end. But before we get to that, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So with that being said, let's just get into the video. So let's say you open up Snapchat app and you see this error that your camera is not working. So as you know that sometimes when you update the Snapchat app, you might face this problem. So what you can do, it's very simple, is you need to allow camera access or permission for Snapchat to use your camera. So how you can do that is you'll go to your settings here and you'll scroll down and you click on apps and notification. So here under app permissions and apps, you'll click on the Snapchat app, and then under permissions you'll click on camera here. So it's not allowed, so you click allow only while using the app, and then if you go back, you can see the app is working just fine. You can take a photo and the app will work. This is how you fix the camera not working problem on Snapchat. It's very simple and easy, guys. If this does not work out for you, and most probably it will, but let's say it does not, what you can try and do is go to Play Store or App Store and then try and search Snapchat and update the app. So if there are any more updates remaining to be done, try and update the app and this problem will most probably go away on its own. So that's it. It's very quick and easy. I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Please leave a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next video.